folks, it's me again. This is my Honda haul video. A haul, it's not really a haul. It's just a Honda video. Has to do with Honda parts. And I'm going to show you some Honda parts. I was looking on eBay for new old stuff. And sometimes you find some cool shit. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. But anyway, I got a couple of Honda parts. They're nothing crazy wild. Oh, and don't forget the cookies. My daughter, this is Post Malone Oreos. My daughter calls it Posty Malone. So I just used the box. The Honda parts I got, if you're into Hondas, I picked up some. They still make these. These are taillight lenses. I think they're $15. Do I want to open them? Of course. Put them somewhere they don't get smashed. Oh no, it's like Christmas. I can't get it open. Oh no, I can't get it open. Gotta use the power tools now. Yeah. Gerber power tools. Gerber knives. Imagine that, they named their knives after baby food. Anyway. Fancy. Look at that. Pretty. Nice new taillights. Okay, I got two of these because I think they were $15 each. I think they're cheaper on Partzilla, but I'm like, you know what? Instant. Plus Partzilla, I think it's on eBay. Got those. I picked up a new old stock. I don't know if you can see that. It's the back side of the kill switch. Brand new. In the package. Apparently someone resealed it because this outer bag is not a Honda bag. I'm gonna open it. It's yep, that's the Honda bag. Oops. Brand schwanking new. Look at that. I lost the little Honda package thing. Where is it? Where's the little Honda card? Uh-oh. 20 years, this thing will be worth more than the part. No. Why did I get a new part back? Because, hey, why not? Look, see? Look how nice it look. Flashy black. I'm not building a sexy bike, but got some sexy parts. With that said, let's put this back in the bag. It wasn't expensive. I don't think the person knew what it was worth. What else? I would like to get a whole new kill switch assembly. I also picked up, because I'm that bougie, I wanted a pull cord thing that said Honda for that bike, because a Honda pull cord, you just punched them in the head with it anyway. Oh, unscrew the screws. Take the cap off. Unscrew. Well, there we go. Anyway, see? Honda. Looks like I own a key. I don't know those things. Somebody should make one of these and cast it with a, what do you call it? Cast it with a ratchet. 10mm in the end. That'd be cool. There you go. Anybody copies me? I want dibs on it. I also picked up, see, this is also resealed. Resealed Honda parts. Cut it open, see? Oh, look at that. Fresh out of the package. This is I don't know why I got this. Is it open? Of course it's open. Oh no, it's not open. That's sealed. That's been regurgitated. This is a, what do you call it? That's a impulse sealer. I know I have the same sealer at my house. Let's see. Made in Japan. This is the little switch thing that goes. It's this part, right? Not here. It's this part right here. It's a brand new switcheroo. Let me take it out. Oh, there's a spring. Oh, it has that. See that little clip? It has one of those. It has a spring. It has a brand new pin. It the little piece was in the end. See that? This I'm not opening because I'm going to lose all the pieces. But, yeah. Genuine Honda parts. So, I got that. Why? Because it's Honda parts. Did I need a new one? No. I have like 4 options, but got a nice shiny pin. Yeah, put a lot of... I also picked up this. See how nice and bright yellow that is? That's a bright yellow one. That one's not bright yellow, see? See the color difference? I'm going to switch it and see how it comes out. What is this? Some kind of crit on there? But anyway, this is like gross. Also, I'm going to switch the... Wait, watch this. See that? It's crunchy. This one's a little more flex to it. It's also, I think, not the same cable. Okay? This one's not quite as long. But I'm going to change it. This one is for a, if I remember correctly, this is the, I need a wire fixed. This one, the wires. That's not no good, yeah. This one's the big red. This one is, I think, a TRX. I don't know what the hell this is for. This one's the one I just got. And this one's the big red one also. So yeah. This one's a little more pliable. But I'm going to attempt to remove all the pins on here. I think you can, yeah. This little thing, I want to remove the pins on here, pull them out, re-sleeve it, take it out of here and change all the pieces out. Will that ever work? I hope so. I'm pretty sure somebody, they put it together and take it apart. With that said, that's pretty much it for the Honda Schmonda haul. And I will proceed to messing around with something else. Thanks for watching. I will be mucking around the bike. And if I do see a brand spanking new one like this for a TRX 250 or something, I'm buying it, I'm rewiring it, because I'm pretty sure it'll same inside. Toodles. Keep watching. Thanks. Oh, and say hi to your mom for me.